Good morning, guys. It is the first day of the semester. So sad. I'll have like a 12-hour day today. Kind of sad. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. But we're gonna get up and we're gonna go make breakfast and get my life together and look decently nice today. Because it's the first day of the semester. And when you look good, you feel good, you do good. That's what I believe in. And I'm sorry if I'm talking hella weird. It's because I am a retainer and I also just woke up. So, yeah. But, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Narali back here again with another video for you guys. And today's video is just going to be a new semester vlog, a day in my life, but you already know. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. I showered, brushed my teeth, all that, you know. Now I'm about to go from like a 2 to like a solid 5, you know. So quick outfit check. I have this black turtleneck from thrift store, this little trench coat from thrift store, Calvin Klein backpack, black ripped jeans from Hollister because I don't know where my other ones went. I'm sorry about my keys. And I got these Just Fab booties. And yeah, my makeup's done a little bit. But I got 10 minutes to get to work. It's 9:30, so let's go so I'm not late on my first day back. Yeah, and yeah, I'll see you guys around today.
Ryan Little.
I'm about to go get some food real quick because it is 12:20 and I have class at 1, and I'm trying, it's financial accounting, so if you guys saw my 2020 goals, you already know that class is literally so hard to pass. So I'm gonna go into a shower and I'm gonna sit in the front. So I'm gonna get some food. So basically, I just ran into my old roommate because she's moving out. she's fake. That's what she is.
No, my name isn't even on the door anymore.
Her name is Kirsten and it should be on that door, but somebody decided to start a fire in our complex or whatever, and then they gave her a new room because she decided to be here during winter break, and now she doesn't want to move back in. So she's taking her stuff right now, and she's fake, and she's leaving.
You're not serious.
And now, no, this is gonna go in the vlog. You're gonna see it in the vlog. And now we're gonna get assigned a random roommate, and I hope that I like them. Because if not, it's gonna be like, bro, I'm living with this person.
Bye.
And now I'm gonna go eat. Alright, so I'm back in my room once again because I just be in here all the time. But basically, recap on my day. This morning I went to work, as you guys saw, and at work they didn't really have much for me to do there. So I basically just went over and like, I made a to-do list yesterday of what I had to do today, and I did mostly everything. At work I just really like went over all my syllabuses, and then I was looking to see what textbooks I had to buy, and I went to a bookstore, and then I got my access code, which, bruh, that shit, college is so expensive for no reason. Like, can you believe one access code, not even a textbook, $165? That is literally insane. I was like, y'all are crazy. But my book stipend, it covered it, so, but still, $165. I was like, bro, that's ridiculous. And I went to my financial accounting class, and guys, I'm crying. My financial accounting class, the professor, he was like looking around, like literally no words of encouragement in this class, bro. Like, he was there and he was just like, oh, wow, I'm surprised that I haven't seen anyone that like any repeats, any familiar faces, who was like, because not a lot of people pass the class. And I was like, bruh. So I'm really trying to pass that class. Basically all that I have to do for tomorrow. I feel like making a to-do list is really helpful for me to do, just because like it kind of guides me, like I know what to do, like I'm not like a lost puppy throughout the day. Oh, I should probably add eating in there somewhere in there, so like, yeah, yeah, I'm probably gonna make some changes. But like, just like having like a to-do list, it can kind of guide me like, oh, at this time you should do this, this is not, you know, because if not, I'm kind of like all over the place. So this semester I'm really trying to work, like this year in general, I'm really trying to work on like my organization skills. So yeah, and I think I might just do continue this vlog tomorrow, even if it's not like for the full week, because I honestly feel like this vlog today was so boring because I didn't do much. I was lost. I was a lost puppy, a lost little freshman, trying to figure out where my classes are and stuff. And tomorrow I have more classes, so I'll probably be another lost puppy, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this. So hi guys, so it is the next day and right now I'm behind schedule. It's like 8:30. I was supposed to wake up at 7 and I technically did, but I didn't get out of bed until 7:30. So and then yeah, I basically just was getting ready and I still have to eat something, so I'm gonna read for a little bit and then I'm gonna go make some food at like 9:30 so that I can have something in my stomach before I go to class. So yeah, and I do need to eat something because if not, I'm not gonna be able to function, and I'm trying to go to the gym today, so let's see if I get there. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna read this, take some notes down, and then make some breakfast and then go to class. So I'll update you guys on what I'm gonna do. I'm in my next class now.
There's a first year track, there's a track for that which is called the North.
Basically, I just got back from my classes and I'm really like off my schedule that I made last night because I was supposed to go to the gym, but then I had a meeting that I didn't know about, so I went to the meeting because we're starting up a new club here and I'm the social media person. So I'm basically running the Instagram or whatever, so I'm like a share person for the club. And yeah, I had to go to that. So I went to that and now I'm about to get changed to go to the gym. I've been kind of like recording a little bit snippets of like class and stuff so I can like throw in there so it's not just the whole vlog of me just talking, because I don't know, I feel like my voice is annoying sometimes. But yeah, now I'm about to go to the gym because I'm trying to get on my grind, but I have hella stuff to do. So yeah, stay tuned for this. Let's go work out, guys. So I'm gonna be a little late to the gym, even later than I already am, because I'm about to season this chicken a little bit before, so that when I come back, I'm ready to eat. So I just got back from the gym, as you can tell, because your girl looks like a tomato and my hair's a mess. But I didn't record anything at the gym just because I'm still trying to get used to it, so it's not like I'm like an expert or anything. And there was also like hella people there, so I was already self-conscious about like what I'm doing, because I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing when I go to the gym. But I'm trying, you know. I low-key got a compliment. Somebody came up to me and was like, oh my god, I'm impressed by your ab workout. And I was like, oh my god, really? But yeah. So now I'm about to go shower and make some food because I look hit and I'm sweaty and I look nasty. And yeah, but it's also really cold outside, so I don't know, it's like weird because like only my face is red, but I don't really sweat that much, so I don't know. But I want to sweat when I work out because I feel like when you sweat, it's like, you know, you're doing a good job, and I wasn't sweating, so I don't know, maybe I wasn't doing a good job. But I also have to go slow because I'm just getting back to the gym grind, so I need to, like, you know, work my way in there. And today was only my first day, so tomorrow I'm gonna try to go too, because tomorrow I only have one class on Thursdays. And yeah, so maybe tomorrow I'll record because I'm gonna try to go earlier so there won't be less people there. But yeah, that's basically all for today. Now I'm gonna go shower. Damn, look that natural glow. No, I looks a mess, bro. I'll talk to you guys later. So right now I'm actually at a on a Zoom meeting for it's like an informational session about Forex. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it is 9 o'clock. So I'm a little late because I didn't get to do everything that I wanted to, but I'm gonna go back to this. I did just finish the meeting. There's another one at 10:30. I don't know if I'm gonna do that one because right now I'm about to plan out my stuff for English. I thought I had English homework and I was about to do it right now, but it turns out I don't. So I'm just gonna wait and do my other homework tomorrow, and I might just read for a little bit for financial accounting. And yeah, so right now this is basically, I'm gonna actually show you guys how I plan for this. So basically I take my syllabus. This is my syllabus for my English class, and most syllabuses are kind of the same thing. Like not most, but like a lot of the ones that I've gotten, like a lot of professors, if they give me a syllabus and it has like all the due dates and stuff, basically I'll take that and I'll put that all in my planner so that I don't miss like a date, and like I check back to my planner all the time. So right now I'm just going to be taking all these dates and I'm going to be transferring that into here so that I am all set for that. So we're about to do that right now, okay? Alright, my loves, so it is officially Friday. So I basically finished the week. I survived the first week of the semester. Let's see how the rest of the semester goes, because the way this workload is getting set up, like literally not one of my classes, usually last semester, my first couple of these classes, we just went in and they were like, oh yeah, we just went over the syllabus, you can leave early. None of my classes did that. They just jumped straight to it. So I was like, damn, bro. So this week I was just kind of planning my life out. I didn't really do much. This vlog is kind of like all over the place. I was gonna do one day, but like the first day that I vlogged was kind of uneventful. It was Tuesday. Wednesday was a little more eventful. I kind of recorded a little more what I did. Yesterday, I didn't really vlog that much, and today I didn't vlog at all. I hope you guys enjoyed what you did see, how I planned out my semester basically, and like kind of my organization skills and what I've been kind of doing so that I make sure that I do everything on my to-do list every week. And yeah, that is basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you guys want to see more vlogs, hopefully the next vlog will be a little bit more organized. I'm still trying to get used to like vlogging in public because I just feel so awkward, so I just don't really want to record. But like, you gotta do it for the video, you know? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, then just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.